Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be talking on another important topic, which is bad breath. Now this is a topic that I believe many of us would want to listen to, or many of us have been yearning that somebody would talk about. So in this video I'll be talking on bad breath. Now let's be sincere with ourselves. Nothing beats one's self-esteem like bad breath. Nothing tampers with people's confidence like bad breath. Imagine you speaking to someone or talking in the midst of people, and then you see them covering their nose or stepping away from you. The next time, I'm sure you wouldn't want to speak to that people, or you wouldn't want to express yourself anymore because you'll be scared of having them step back from you. That's what bad breath can do to people. Bad breath can tamper with your confidence. It can affect your self-esteem so much that you wouldn't want to show your face in the public. So today we'll be addressing this topic, and the mistake many of us make is believing that the major cause for bad breath is poor brushing techniques. But in this video, I will be unveiling 7 hidden causes of bad breath that you may not know. The first hidden cause of bad breath on my list is tongue coating. I made a video on tongue coating a few weeks ago, and I'll be dropping the link in the description box. Tongue coating is one of the real culprits behind mouth odor. Bacteria love to hide on the surface of your tongue, and if you are not scraping them off, you will continue to experience mouth odor. And this is why it is very important to include tongue scraping in your hygiene game. The second on my list is gum disease. This is when your gums are inflamed, and inflammation of the gums can cause mouth odor. You keep experiencing mouth odor because even if your gums are inflamed, it will be difficult for you to brush your mouth because you'll be feeling the pain. So gum disease is another hidden cause of bad breath. Number 3 is dry mouth, which is also called serostomia. Dry mouth is when there is no enough supply of saliva in your mouth, and when your mouth is dry, then bacteria will thrive. Bacteria will continue to multiply. In fact, the food debris in your mouth will still be sitting there because there is no enough saliva in your mouth to wash them away. So dry mouth is another hidden cause for bad breath. Number 4 is food choices. The kind of food you eat determines whether your mouth will smell or not. Food choices like garlic, onions. Some people can eat garlic, like they can eat it raw. Some people can eat onions raw like that, and they see nothing wrong in it. But this kind of people would always experience mouth odor, a temporary one though, not a permanent mouth odor, right? It's a temporary one, and it might last for 24 or 48 hours. So your food choice can cause you bad breath. The fifth on my list is smoking and alcohol. Smoking and alcohol dries your mouth. And like I mentioned earlier on, dry mouth is one of the hidden causes of bad breath that you may not know. So if you're a smoker or you drink alcohol, there's every tendency that your mouth will smell because your mouth would always be dry. Number 6 is digestive issues. Acid reflux or stomach problems may play a large role in having mouth odor. So if you have stomach problems like ulcer or acid reflux, then you might as well be experiencing mouth odor. And in these cases, you might need to deal with the cause of that mouth odor first, right? Now, the 7th hidden cause for mouth odor on my list is medical conditions. Medical conditions like diabetes, sinus infections, or other underlying medical conditions can lead to mouth odor. So sometimes when you have dealt with every possible cause of mouth odor and your mouth odor is still there, you might need to consult a physician and probably run some tests so that you will know whether there is a medical condition that you do not know or not. Now that I have listed the 7 hidden causes of mouth odor, I like to let you know or to inform you that there is a solution. Yes, to every problem there is a solution. So if you are experiencing mouth odor or you are experiencing any of these, there's always a way to fix them, and that's what we'll be considering in this next section. The first way to fix mouth odor on my list is to brush your mouth twice daily with a fluoride toothpaste. Brush your mouth twice daily with a fluoride toothpaste. I made a video on the importance of fluoride to the mouth, and I'll be dropping the link in the description box as well, or probably attach it to this video. You might need to watch that video so that you will understand the importance of fluoride to your mouth and why I am saying you should brush your mouth with a fluoride toothpaste and not some other kind of toothpaste, right? That's number one. Number two is to floss your mouth daily, like every day. I also made a video on how to floss your mouth where I demonstrated and explained how to floss your mouth. I also debunked the myth that dental flosses are expensive, because I discovered that lots of people are actually not flossing their mouth because they believe dental flosses are expensive. And I explained in that video that dental flosses are not expensive. In fact, I bought one for 800. I bought a pack of dental floss for 800 naira. And if you will be flossing your mouth for 50 days, then you will be using 800 naira, because that pack of dental floss actually contains 50 pieces of dental flosses. All right, so number two is to floss your mouth daily. Number three is to scrape your tongue. This is where tongue scraping comes in. Tongue scrapers are in the market. You can get a tongue scraper for yourself to scrape your tongue every blessed day. That's number three. I also made a video on that. You might need to check my channel to watch the video as well. Now, number four is to avoid smoking or taking alcohols. Like I said earlier on, smoking and taking alcohols dries your mouth, and you don't want that for yourself. So avoid smoking. If you're a smoker and you're experiencing mouth odor, you are probably experiencing mouth odor because you smoke or because you take alcohols. All right. Now, the next way to fix mouth odor is to stay hydrated, right? Stay hydrated, drink enough water every day so that there will be enough production of saliva and flow of saliva in your mouth. Stay hydrated every day. Number six, eat crunchy fruits like carrots, apples, cucumbers. Crunchy fruits serve as natural cleaners for your mouth because they are more like natural scrubs for your mouth. When you are eating crunchy fruits, there's every tendency that they scrape off the dirt on the surface of your teeth and of course on the surface of your mouth. Though these are not a replacement for brushing, right? These are not a replacement for tongue scraping, but of course they have a way of helping with mouth odor as well. Now, the last on my list on how to fix mouth odor is to visit a dentist, especially when you have done all these things. You have put all this into practice and your bad breath is still there, then you should visit a dentist so that you'll be diagnosed, tests will be conducted, and then you will know whether there is a medical condition that you do not know about, and you will get treated as soon as possible. I want to believe that you have gotten value from this video. If yes, kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed. Kindly subscribe and turn on the post notification bell, whether you are a returning, whether you are seeing me for the first time or you are not seeing me for the first time, because I noticed that lots of people actually watch my video, but not everyone who watch my video are subscribers, right? So kindly hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so you can get notified anytime I post a new video, and please like, comment and share with your family and friends. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.